Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm coming to you with a review from a company called Jord for Jord watches. I did win this watch in a giveaway, and I'm going to show you the beautiful young lady's YouTube page and Instagram page so that you can go follow her on YouTube and on Instagram. So this is what I received, this beautiful wooden box here. If you don't know anything about Jord, all their watches are wooden watches. They have different colors, but they're all made out of a very, very exquisite wood material. They send you a cleansing cloth with the watch, and they also send you a 100% natural finishing oil to clean the watch. So it is made out of wood. It comes in this beautiful box with the Jord name engraved in it. The box also has, if I'm opening it the right way, a drawer in it for you to put the oil and the cleansing cloth in. There's baby girl. All right, and it has the J in the top, and then once you open the watch, this is the watch that I selected. Now, I was given a coupon code when I won the watch, and I had to go on the website and select the watch that I wanted. The watches are made out of wood. There's some other stuff in here, another cleansing cloth and directions. It's made out of wood all the way around. This is what it looks like. It is very lightweight. I don't know if you can hear me. It's not heavy. Although it's made out of a very, very exquisite material, it is not heavy. They have several different watches. They cater to men and they cater to women. It has the Jord on the back there. That is what it looks like, and it came on this cute little pillow. I'm not gonna wear it yet. I'm gonna see about getting it sized. I have really tiny wrists, so I already know that I'm gonna have to get this watch sized.
So where's mine? Where's mine?
Oh, they didn't send you one. I have to talk to them about that. They did put this in here to read this first as far as watch sizing, so I'm gonna read through it, see what it's all about before, and get it sized and get it set to my wrist. So I absolutely love this. Let me go to the young lady's page who was doing the giveaway so that you guys can show her some love. Don't open the oil. Don't put the oil up yet. Put the top on. Okay, this is the young lady's YouTube page. It is Lady B on YouTube. I am subscribed to her, but I went to her page through Instagram, so you guys can see Lady B. And I also wanted to show you her Instagram page. It is a lady from Boston. A lady from Boston, and I will put that down in the beauty bar down below. That's what the picture looks like. Go and check her out. She has a wonderful YouTube. She does wonderful giveaways, and she was the one that was doing the giveaway from Jord watches that I won. I was super excited to win it. I had been trying to win and get Jord to select me and get a Jord watch for the longest, and I finally got one. I'm super excited. I'm going to get it sized, get it fitted to my wrist, and you will see me wearing this beauty from time to time. I absolutely love it. I think it's just wonderful through how they make this out of wood. It's not like a regular watch or how your regular watches are made. So this is what it looks like. If you guys have a Jord watch or you are familiar with the company, leave your comments down below. They have another one. I think it's like a purple or kind of pinkish purple one that I really want, that I'm gonna keep my eye on, especially if it fits my wrist really, really good. With me having these tiny wrists, if it fits it really good, I want that pinkish purple one that they have out. I think it's really beautiful as well. So this is the watch that I selected. Thank you so much for selecting me for your giveaway. Everybody go over and check out her channel, her Instagram. Follow her, request her. Everything will be linked down below. I don't know what I'm going to do with that one right there, but I'll see you guys in the next video.